Let's create a useful productivity tool for Google Sheets or Excel to help us calculate Etsy fees and track our profit. Disclaimer, these fees only apply to sellers in the US. Go ahead and create a new Google Sheet and call it Profit Calculator. So the first column will be the name of our product. For example, I'm going to write a nurse sweater, funny mug, and beaded bracelet. Now the next column will be how much you sell the item for. Let's say $29.99, $18.99, and $10. The next column is the shipping price. Let's say $6.70, $4.99, and $0. The third column will be the gift wrapping up charge. For simplicity, let's assume $0. The fourth column will be the actual cost of the item. This includes the item, the box or mailer costs, the bubble wrap, labor costs, etc. According to Printify, that will be $15.50 for the sweater, $7.35 for the mug. The bracelet could cost around $1. Let's say that the sweater ships for around $5.50, the mug ships for $6.50, and the bracelet ships for $2. This part is optional. I'm going to use green for income and red for expenses. The customer costs will be green and our costs will be red. Our next column is our revenue. This is the total that the customer pays. In column G, we add column B, C, and D. Next is the total cost that we pay. In column H, we add column E and F. Now that we have those numbers, we can go over to Etsy's fee breakdown and see what fees are taken. The link is in the description. The first is the listing fee. This is always 20 cents per item. Next are the transaction fees. Then, it states that, when you make a sale through Etsy.com, you will be charged a transaction fee of 6.5% of the price you display for each listing, plus the amount you charge for shipping and gift wrapping. So let's add those numbers. In the next column, type equal to signal that we will be calculating a number. Then type 0.065 times G2. Next, we have the payment fee in column K. This is equal to 0.25 plus 0.03 times column G2. Then our profit is the revenue minus the cost minus all the fees. G2 minus the sum of columns H through J, and that's our final profit for the nurse sweater. You can now highlight boxes B through L and drag down to as many rows as you need for a convenient way to plan your product prices and profits. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out my other Etsy tips and trends videos.